Are you a doctor? Are you seeking to advance your skills in a cutting-edge environment to improve your skills? Are you interested in specific areas such as laparoscopic surgery, robotic surgery, spine surgery, organ transplantation, or many different areas like these? Or are you a medical student aiming to add experience and certifications to your career? Or do you want to improve your vision by visiting Turkey's top hospitals and medical universities with our weekly or monthly programs? Introducing Voumed Academy, your gateway to transformational medical training in Turkey. Whether you're a medical student seeking only observation or a doctor looking to master advanced techniques, we have programs designed for all of you. We have a strong network of Turkey's top hospitals and medical universities, so we can provide a wide spectrum of options to fully match your needs. Gain hands-on experience in top Turkish hospitals, medical universities, and clinical simulation centers while you enjoy Istanbul's amazing cultural and sightseeing opportunities. Our programs are affordable and can be accredited, providing you with a valuable investment in your future career. Here's why international doctors and medical students prefer Voumed Academy. Access to top hospitals and universities, small group learning with personalized attention, hands-on practice with cutting-edge technology, diverse program options for all skill levels, affordable fees and flexible durations, opportunity to earn recognized certifications, unforgettable cultural experience in Turkey. Ready to unlock your potential? To learn more about our weekly or monthly programs for each specific purpose, visit our website at the description of this video. To watch more videos like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.